When is the best time to visit Vietnam? And where should you go? Let me tell you a secret most tourists don't know. Vietnam isn't one country with one climate. It's a ribbon stretching from misty mountains in the north to bustling cities in the south, with dazzling beaches in between. While one region basks in sunshine, another gets drenched in rain. That's why so many travelers get it wrong. They book the wrong place at the wrong time. But here's how to do it right. Southern Vietnam, Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, and the Mekong Delta. Best time, December to April. Warm, dry, and perfect for exploring Saigon's buzzing streets or floating down the Mekong River's lush waterways. Rainy season, May to November, with short afternoon showers that freshen the air. Travel remains enjoyable, just bring light rain gear. Northern Vietnam, Hanoi, Ha Long Bay, Sapa, winter. December-February. Cold in the mountains with Sapa dipping below 5 degrees Celsius at night. Summer. May-August. Hot, humid with afternoon storms and occasional typhoons along the coast. Central Vietnam, Nha Trang and Cam Ranh. Best time, February to August. This region is blessed with sunshine, calm seas, and excellent beach weather. Perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and long lazy days by the water. Rainy season, September to November. When the central coast, Hoi An Natis Da Nang Shi, Hue, is often hit hardest by tropical storms, but Nha Trang and Cam Ranh often enjoy better weather and fewer disruptions than the northern central coast. Now imagine this. While others worry about canceled tours and stormy skies, in Hue or Hoi An, you're sipping champagne by an infinity pool. Your kids are laughing in the water. Or you and your partner are walking hand in hand along a beach that seems to exist just for you. That's why smart travelers choose Alma Resort Cam Ranh, because Alma Resort Cam Ranh is where families reconnect across 12 sparkling pools, where couples rediscover magic under star-filled nights, where explorers step into hidden corners of Vietnam through exclusive tours with ZAZEN Travel, and where Vietnam's top-rated cultural show comes alive at your doorstep. Alma Resort Cam Ranh delivers certainty, sunshine, safety, and a story you'll want to relive again and again. So when's the best time to visit Vietnam? Whenever you choose Alma Resort Cam Ranh. Smart travelers already know. The only question is, will you be one of them?